Hi everybody, and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. So today I'm about to fold my mountain of laundry that's been piling up, and I wanted to share with you one thing that I really love in my laundry room that I got is this giant turntable that sits on top of my washer. It has everything I use a lot. This is our homemade detergent we made this summer. I also like this little booster for my workout clothes, my stinky stuff. I'm a huge fan of the Zoom wash. I love that. And I use vinegar on like almost everything. And then of course some dryer balls and some static sheets in case we need that. So I love this nifty turntable. Get yourself one, grab what you need, because for me, it's just much easier than to just, just dump it in there and put it right back on the turntable, turn it around. You don't have to dig for what you need. You don't have to find what you need. It's super, super easy and convenient. I have another one under here I can show you. So I have a little shelf down here, and this is like my backup stuff that I use too. And then I just have another thing containing the rest of my supplies. Oh, there we go. So anyway, that is this week's Just the Tip. Get yourself some big old turntables for the laundry room. You will not regret it. All right, we'll see you again next week. Thank you. Talk to you soon.